Spring is finally here in the Pacific Northwest. And if you're a homeowner, this is one of the most important times of year to take care of your home. Our wet winters can be very tough on homes. So today I'm going to share with you a spring home maintenance checklist to help protect that investment. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Inspect your roof and your gutters. After months of rain, wind, and moss growth, it's important to really check for loose or missing shingles and any signs of leaks. Also, clean out your gutters and your downspouts to make sure water's draining away from your property. In the Pacific Northwest, clogged gutters are one of the biggest causes of water damage. Tip number 2. Check for moisture and mold. Moisture is a big deal around here. Take a look under sinks, around windows, crawl spaces, and bathrooms for any signs of mold or water damage. If you catch this early, you can save yourself thousands of dollars in repairs. Tip number 3, service your HVAC system. Spring is the perfect time to service your heating and cooling system right before the summer months. Change your air filters, schedule a tune-up, and make sure everything's running efficiently. Clean air and lower energy bills are always a win. Tip number 4, refresh the exterior of your home. Pressure wash siding, walkways, and decks to remove any signs of winter growth or moss. This not only boosts curb appeal, but also prevents slippery surfaces and long-term damage. Tip number 5, inspect windows, doors, and drainage. Check your windows and doors for failed caulking or worn seals. This is going to help keep moisture out and energy costs down. Also, take a look at the grading around your home. You want to make sure that water is flowing away from the foundation and not toward it. So a little spring maintenance goes a long way, especially here in the Pacific Northwest. If you'd like a printable spring home maintenance checklist, go ahead and message me. Or if you're thinking about selling your home this year or wondering what buyers are looking for most, I'd love to help. Make sure to like, follow, or reach out to me anytime. This is Jason Munoz with the Munoz Home Group here in Western Washington. I'll see you on the next video.